welcome.
Hello.
Here's the flyer on the property.
Thank you.
And for security purposes, could I have you sign into our guest book today?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks so much. You guys have been taking a look around at some open houses?
Yeah, a couple places.
Fun thing to do on a Sunday afternoon.
There you go.
That's great. Heath and Gina?
Yeah.
I'm Brian. Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
So I have a couple other folks looking through, so I'm going to catch up with them to see if they have any questions.
Okay.
But take your time, look around. We have a really cool master bedroom suite upstairs, and I'll try to catch up to you by the time you get there, okay?
Okay.
good.
Okay, thanks a million.
Thank you.
All right. Hey guys, you found everything okay so far?
Yeah.
Great. Any questions for me at all?
No?
Okay. So as I mentioned to you when you came in, this is really one of the big features of this home. And it's a real master bedroom suite. So we have obviously an oversized bedroom. We have a fireplace right here. Right behind these pictures, we actually have all the electrical work and everything done for a plasma screen with surround sound in the ceilings and on the walls, okay? And down the hall here, it's a real treat. We have his and her closets, his and her sinks, his and her toilets. We have a jacuzzi tub and an oversized shower. So come check that out. I think you'll really like this. Well, thanks for touring the home today, guys. Do you have any questions for me?
Not really.
Great. Okay. Let me ask you, have you been looking around a lot?
We've been to quite a few open houses.
Yeah. You know, looking at open houses is kind of like looking at the tip of an iceberg. What's actually on the market is like the rest of the iceberg below the waterline.
Yeah, that's interesting. We've actually had a bit of trouble finding something in our price range that kind of checks all the boxes for
Okay.
us.
Do you know your price range? Have you been pre-qualified with a lender?
No, not yet.
Okay. Are you working with a realtor at this time?
No, not really.
No, that's not unusual. Let me ask you this. Do you have a home to sell or are you currently renting?
No, we're renting,
renting,
but
yeah.
just getting killed on the taxes.
Yep, that'll happen. Well, we can help you with that. You know what? I have a couple of resources you guys might be interested in. First of all, I have what I call a hot sheet, which is all the new listings in this area, all the properties that have been reduced into this price range that you might find interesting. The rest of that iceberg, if you will.
Yeah, yeah.
I also have this resource called a buyer questionnaire. And this really helps people get clarity on what they're looking for in a home. So I can send you this resource. You download it, maybe print up 2 copies.
Okay.
You fill out yours, and then compare. And it'll really help you find out this is what we're really looking for. This is what's really important to us. Would you like that?
Yeah, I think
Definitely,
so.
yeah.
Super. When you came in, did you put your email address or your phone number in the
No.
logbook? Okay, so on your way out, no problem. Just put your email, put your phone number in.
Okay.
I'll send you the hot sheet. I'll send you the buyer questionnaire. I'll follow up with you right away and get you guys on your way, kind of looking for homes a little bit more efficiently. Sound good?
Yeah, great.
Perfect.
Super.
Yeah.
Well, listen, it was real nice meeting you guys today. Good luck with your home search, and I'll follow up with you real soon.
Really
Thank
appreciate
you.
it, Brian.
Thanks for
Yeah.
coming.
All right, thanks.